Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, we will fix the download pending error on Android devices in a very simple way so you can continue downloading apps without any interruption. Open your settings on your phone. Scroll down until you find Apps or Applications and tap on it. In the Apps list, locate Google Play Store and tap on it to open the App Settings page. If you do not see an option exactly where I show, just look carefully in your settings and find the same feature under a similar name. First, press Force Stop and confirm by tapping OK. This will completely stop the Play Store from running in the background and help reset any stuck download process. Next, go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache first to remove temporary files. Then tap Clear Data at the bottom. This resets the Play Store and fixes corrupted or stuck data that causes the download pending error. Now, go back to your home screen and open Google Play Store again. Try downloading your app once more. Thanks for watching.